Good day. Our discussion will focus about learning competency. Identifying rock form minerals using their physical and chemical properties. Are minerals. Minerals are the fundamental components of rocks. They are naturally occurring or not man-made or machine generated, and organic, not a byproduct of living things. Solution solid within orderly crystalline structures and definite chemical composition. Therefore, water is not a mineral because it is not solid and crystalline. Also, tube ice is not a mineral because it is not naturally occurring. Water is not a mineral because it is not solid and crystalline. Also, tube ice is not mineral because it is not naturally occurring. But as first, luster refers to the way light is reflected from the surface of the mineral. There are two types of luster, the metallic and non-metallic. The example of metallic is metallic luster pyrite. For non-metallic luster kaolinite. Second is hardness. It is a measure of the resistance of a mineral to scratch. The Mohs scale of hardness measures the scratch resistance of various minerals from a scale of 1 to 10. Signed by German geologist, mineralogist Friedrich Mohs in 1812. Third, the color. Minerals display a variety of colors resulting from impurities and also from some geologic process like weathering. Example of coloring. Azurite is purple, sulfur is yellow. Fourth, the streak. Streak minerals color in powdered form. Streak is more reliable property than color because streak does not vary. Minerals that have the same color may have a different colored streak. Crystal form habit. It is the natural shape of the mineral before the development of any cleavage or fracture. Sixth, cleavage. The property of some minerals to break along specific lines. Seventh, fracture. Minerals that do not exhibit cleavage are said to fracture when broken. Some break like glass, some because splinters or fibers. Lastly, specific gravity. Rating the density of the mineral and the density. And the table shows the most stable and less adequate base for classification of minerals and based on their chemical composition. Silicates, mineral containing the two most abundant elements in the earth crust, namely silicon and oxygen. A. When linked together, these two elements form the silicon-oxygen tetrahedron to the fundamental building blocks of silicate minerals. Go. B. Over 90% of rock-forming minerals belong to this group. Oxide minerals composed of oxygen ion combined with one or more metal ion. Third, sulfate minerals containing sulfur and oxygen in the form of the sulfate ion. Fourth, sulfides minerals containing sulfur and a metal. Some sulfides are sources as Fourth, sulfides minerals containing sulfur and a metal. Some sulfides are sources of economically important metals such as copper, lead, and zinc. Fifth, carbonates minerals containing the carbonates anion combined with other elements. Native elements minerals that form as individual elements. Metals and intermetals minerals with high thermal and electrical conductivity, typically with metallic luster, low hardness like gold and lead. B. Semi-metals minerals that are more fragile than metals and have lower conductivity like arsenic and bismuth. C. Non-metals non-conductive like sulfur and diamond. 7. Halides minerals containing halogen elements combined with one or more metals.
There are common forming minerals. First, we have quartz. Quartz is shortly called silica, one of the most common minerals in the earth crust. Second, we have plagioclase feldspar. Plagioclase feldspar is a sodium or calcium-rich feldspar. It is generally light to gray and has a virtuous luster which is important in the strong mineral use. And third, you have alkali feldspar. Alkali feldspar is another member of the family of felds minerals. It is a commonly pink to white used the raw material to make porcelain. Fourth, we have amphiboles. Amphiboles are the family of silicate minerals. They generally contain iron, magnesium, calcium, and aluminum as well as silicon, oxygen, and water. Pyroxene. Pyroxenes are the family of silicate minerals. They generally contain magnesium, iron, calcium, and aluminum as well as silicon and oxygen. These crystals are commonly designated as gemstone. For instance, precious jade is a pyroxene. Olivine. Olivine is a silicate mineral. It contains iron and magnesium. Olivine is a green, glassy minerals. Clear and transparent olivine crystals are commonly designated as. And lastly, the calcite. Calcite is a carbonate mineral. It is made up of calcium carbonate. Calcite is the major component of calcareous sedimentary rocks such as limestone. Metamorphism of limestone produces marble.
That's the end of our video reporting. Thank you.